These small, defenseless mammals are a favorite easy prey for crocodiles. When a female tries to help herself to a bite of the kill, a fight breaks out. The male refuses to let go. He's not about to share this gazelle. He takes his meal downstream, slipping quickly past the hippopotamus, the one animal a crocodile fears. The croc has to juggle his prey into position so it can slide more easily down his throat. Like most reptiles, neither are designed for chewing. As a result, crocodiles have a very efficient digestive system. Acids in the stomach can break down bones, horns, and hooves. By spinning in the water, crocs tear away meat from large animals, but small prey like this gazelle is swallowed whole. This one meal will last the croc a full week, or even longer if food gets scarce. The dominant crocodile patrols his territory.